In this video, we are going to see how we can disable the Microsoft Edge desktop search bar in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer simply by making a little change in registry editor. So let's see how we can do this. First of all, just head over to the start menu and right here, regedit. Open this up, click yes. And then before making any change to the registry editor, I always recommend you to take the backup. Go to the file, click on export, and you can save it with whatever reference you want before making any change, like before adjusting search bar or before disabling search bar. Hit enter. It will take some time for the backup to be done. And after that, you are completely safe. Whatever change you make, if something goes wrong or you are having some errors occur in Windows, you can always import that, select that specific file and click on open, and it should be restored right away. So let's move further. So what we want to do is just click on HKey local machine, and under the software, you will see different folders like that. We'll click on the software, expand that. We will expand the policies. And by the way, if you find a lot of folders and you are not sure on how you can find the policies under, let's say, software folder, just select any folder and right here P on the keyboard, and it should land you to the P section where you see policies. Expand that, then go to Microsoft, go to Microsoft Edge or select Microsoft Edge, and then just right click on the right hand corner window, click on the new and select dword 32-bit value. Now you have to name it exactly in the same way like I do. You will write web, then you will write widget. Make sure the spellings are correct. That's why I'm again saying that you will follow exactly in the same way like I'm writing here. So web widget allowed, hit enter, and each word should be capitalized. Double click on this value and it's already set to 0. So that's what we want. We want to disable the search bar, click OK. And just you close out of here, restart your computer once, and hopefully after that, you should be able to successfully disable the Microsoft Edge desktop search bar in Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.